enti abusia somewhere there FBI for ahwehwe nsemu hu se de sene anema ekwane de ekwan bi aso e wose eye Ofori Atta oba back to Ghana for questioning oba back to Ghana no me face eye the special prosecutor and afesu no Yoko for some questions. And yes, I'm getting out. And I'm even wondering, I'm just imagining how Ofori Atta is going to appear before the OSP, the Office of the Special Prosecutor. Authentic Plus Studio. Making sure. So I like you subscribe. You know I share. I'm a phone now wait there for clarity sake. I'm going to mention where I got this information from. And you call Konkonsa GHR. Ewo hono manasi be konkonsa.com. Now, let's read from what konkonsa.com ever try. Or say, the government of Ghana's bid to hold former finance minister Ofori Atta accountable for his tenure under President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo has received a significant boost, with U.S. authorities dismissing claims that the move constitutes a political witch hunt. Mobile say the OSP, Office of the Special Prosecutor, ebe nemi Ofori Atta as wanted. Ema later on ocho letter tintin edema Interpol say baby a Ofori Atta shibiano. I was say omotwene because it is believed say we di boni a was say accountability.
Atta is a wanted person and a fugitive from justice. His name is hereby re-entered on the OSP's list of wanted persons. The OSP will take all necessary legal steps to secure Mr. Ofori Atta's return to the jurisdiction and to answer to the criminal inquiries against him. In pursuance of this, about 30 minutes before this briefing, I triggered processes for the issuance of an Interpol red notice for the location and provisional arrest of Mr. Kenneth Nanaya Ofori Atta in whichever jurisdiction pending extradition or his surrender. Around the same time, I dispatched a request for extradition processes to be instituted for the provisional apprehension in any jurisdiction in which Mr. Ofori Atta may be located or found, and his extradition to the Republic of Ghana. The OSP will prefer criminal charges in the courts against Mr. Ofori Atta in due course, whether in absentia or otherwise. The principle upon which we proceed is that no person, regardless of title, regardless of status, regardless of medical condition, is beyond the reach of inquiry by the OSP. Thank you for coming. If you have any questions, I'll prepare to answer them. If you don't have any questions, to yes, sir.
Emma later on, MP before because we there a political gimmicks, a political witch hunts. You per se like you tarnishing image no one can be. Now FBI, if you should say mumu say, si no say na ade ne kwande. I was say Ofori Atta or Sambra Ghana biuna omefesi the OSP. Say na be bibia ebetumi atodi. Now osaba second paragraph or say source at the US Department of Justice and the Federal Bureau of Investigation into brackets FBI through the US Embassy in Accra have reportedly confirmed to myjoyonline.com that they are satisfied the request from Mr. Ofori Atta to respond to investigations in Ghana is legitimate. And to US for FBI and together with the embassy in Accra over here. I hear someone who say no, say na de na ekwane. I was saying Ofori Atta or your accountability because you were once a finance minister. It is say bia se mo fra ba mu na ye for say ba na be accountability obedane e finance minister no. Niema wo ye sika wo spending ye sika wo de ma individual institute say foreign affairs so say de be so mo fanya adwuma no. Ba na be account for intino ekwan wo ho say bebi a wo bia wo so opibra na che say kwana ko yesa account no. Nti say de they say FBI for a confirm say Ofori Atta obetimi aba back abe face the OSP. Now over third paragraph over third paragraph or say according to the source the matter does not fall under categories of persecution or political witch hunting that would warrant protective relief under US immigration law or international human rights protocols. And in third paragraph, no HM say, after say or they say FBI for ahwehwe nsem no mu say even though say your person be accountability cramp no ye hwe the protecting side na when ye name obeka say bia ano o hye adu baby a say human hunting na bibi say obeka say bia nka US immigration for ebe security protection for Ofori Atta we aban anase bia a country and also an individual anase bia citizen affairs enti we nya de obeka say bia obe security protection for Ofori Atta enti no ekwan bia so no e wo say Ofori Atta etimi be piem e wo mawu na bibia etimi ekoye now I say Ofori Atta currently receiving medical care in the United States has accused the Ghanaian government, particularly the Office of the Special Prosecutor, OSP, of violating his fundamental human rights through persistent effort to interrogate him over allegations of financial malfinance and causing financial loss to the state. Now, Obekai say after say Special Prosecutor ebe nemi Ofori Atta as wanted no. Ofori Atta through the lawyers send a letter edema or the same Special Prosecutor say ebe ya anko munyinu enfi wanted list so because or tarnishing image letter Ofori Atta na adwin say anko de omo be court sansem ni nya so de ye ni mebi a sa asem no ekosi e ba ne eti ye ne say na Special Prosecutor decisions about taking no enya ade a obetimi asasa na chi bi omunti no yanti hwibium ena oba say in addition to the OSP, the Economic and Organized Crime Office, that is IOCO, and the National Investigation Bureau, that is NIB, are also seeking to question him regarding similar allegations. It is also why I say, even though say, not just say, OSP not just say, or person, or interview, and I say, or like, or interrogate Ofori Atta, even NIB and afensu yoko krampo no omo pekwan bi omefa so mbetimi atwe na ba abebisa no questions ba ko mienu bi about he been or the say a finance minister during or the say Nana Danko Akufo-Addo time etina che say enye nipa ba ko enye nipa mienu institution miensa na che say na omo pese omo interrogate Ofori Atta. Now I say the Office of the Special Prosecutor has twice declared Mr. Ofori Atta a fugitive from justice for failing to honor investigations to appear before it. The OSP has since applied for his extradition through the competent authority, the Office of the Attorney General and Minister for Justice. And you know, Mobakai say, Office of the Special Prosecutor obechire mu say nienti a what declare Ofori Atta wanted was because omo try omo possible best say and at least omo benya like Ofori Atta and the lawyers need be any of matching common as to how they will go about it, but all their efforts went in vain. She and see it ni na ka ho and I say omo dey far omo seek advice from the Attorney General and the Minister for Justice, and I just omo can say if that's the case they should declare him a wanted person. It's nenye se bia enye Office of the Prosecutor ne pe anase bia ni own authority and they take that decision or consult a lot of institutions, security service and omo man can say okay, if this is what is happening then you can declare the person wanted send be nipa no betimi abantem. Extradition is legal process that allows enforcement agencies to seek the return of suspects who are outside the jurisdiction. It requires full cooperation and approval from the host country. In this case, the United States, which may evaluate the request based on its own investigation and judicial standard. It's in the medical culture say decision now OSP eteki any own decision or consult a lot of institutions. And after compost no mo kai say Ofori Atta oni Ghana hasi or US etini OSP compo consult the US embassy e mo nyina mo kwan ka say okay, if this is what is going on, declare the person wanted. If things get worse, then we'll contact Interpol Inti enye say bia OSP ni pe na che say odi take that decision no. Now, I say last paragraph no, I say the process may face delays, particularly if the subject contests the extradition in court. And this is no, you try Ofori Atta, so delay the process now. The laws may also delay him. If say we are back to Ghana, ebe face the OSP, because it is going to take a lot of process to get to the bottom of this. And it is if say Ofori Atta 1 month tema, this is going to take a long process, a long day for us to get to the bottom of this. Abusia, and these are some of the things that are between Ofori Atta and Afensono Special Prosecutor. Now, they say the FBI for abuse kwan say Ofori Atta obet me back to Ghana. No, I be facing the charges, the allegations are the atono. So, authentic plus to make sure. So, like you best subscribe. You know what share. I'm a phone so any be ashe.